afternoon, everybody. This is Obi-Wan K21 Show Me Drones. Here I am. I'm putting this introductory video together. I am putting it together because I want to talk to you about something that I did recently in the last couple days. It was actually last weekend. I went to a reservoir, natural reservoir, which has nature, a lot of open grounds, a lot of open area in order to fly drones and to do all the things. There was this lake that is called Jacomo Lake, which it is an awesome place where people go. They go boating, sailing, kayaking. I mean, any water sports activities that you want to do. I really recommend this place. It is in the vicinity of Kansas City, Missouri, on a town called Summit. So I went down there with my wife, and it was a beautiful day. It was a really hot day. It was up in the 90s, but the winds were very calm, very sunny, and it was just perfect to fly drones. So I took my Mavic Mini. Well, let me take that back. My DJI Mini 2. I took my DJI FPV drone, and I brought some competition for DJI. I brought my EVO 2 Pro, which is a drone that is becoming my favorite when it comes to create some awesome cinematic shot below 400 feet. So I took those three drones, and I flew different times throughout the afternoon that I was there, and I just wanted to integrate what consumer level, entry level drone like the Mini 2 can do, what can bring to the table as far as content creation. And of course, if you want to do something more fast action type of cinematic shots, the FPV drone is definitely the one to use if you want to take some really cool shots going at an average of 60 miles per hour, banking and turning and twisting and making all those awesome turns that FPV drones can do. And then I have my EVO 2 Pro, which can record all the way up to 6K, 10-bit log, and is a rock solid drone. When you put it up in the air, it doesn't matter how windy it is. The drone will perform at a high level. So I took those three drones and I flew them around the lake, Jacomo Lake, and took some really awesome cinematic shots. I put them together. I had them already on a video. This is going to be part of my video, and I'm going to share this in my YouTube channel. And talking about my YouTube channel, if you're new to my channel, you're seeing this for this channel for the first time, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel, Obi-Wan K21 Show Me Drones, and hit the like, share my YouTube channel videos with friends and people who might be interested in content creation, that you can get from drones. In this channel, I'll be talking primarily about drones and how you can create content, tips and tricks, talking about other technology pieces that are part of my workflow, or any other technology that is out there that can increase and make better my workflow when it comes to content creation using drones. So I will leave you with this video. If you are in the fence of getting a drone, watch this video and all the videos that I have on my channel, and don't hesitate to make that step on joining this awesome hobby that is flying drones, which the sky is the limit, and there's so many things that you can do with drones, and it will elevate your workflow and your creativity, and it's just such an awesome hobby to get into. So stay tuned, because I'll be back soon. This is Obi-Wan K21 Show Me Drones. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and enjoy.